we are so stressful, we are very busy, right? And we just want to work, and then every day look like we are chasing something. We want to do this, we want to do that, and then we don't have a time to rest. And then there are so much tension from our shoulders, so much stress from our arms and our body, right? Also at the same time, in our hearts, our mind too, so much thing going on out there. Know how to stop and rest is very important for us, for you. The animals, they know how to rest better than us. Sometimes we don't have a time to relax. Sometimes we don't have a time to take care of your body, right? I can have some time to stop and to look deeply into my body and to breathe a little bit, to relax a little bit, so that I can balance my body and I can open up myself to understand, to take care of my body. So that is very important for me. Hopefully you can enjoy morning exercise with us, and remember, every second, every breathing, every movement, you can bring a lot of joy and happiness to your body and your mind. But as long as you can open your heart, open your mind to breathe and to feel that energy, you also feel you can heal a lot. You can heal your mind and your body a lot as a collective energy too. Qigong practice is opportunity for us to relax our body and to do some movements with awareness, with mindfulness, that you can feel relaxing right away in the present moments. You don't need to wait for the future. If you can relax your body, you can relax your mind. And when you relax your body and your mind, you get healing right away. Because some of us have a lot of stressful time. You're thinking too much, and then you're working a lot and overload with your body and your mind. And that's when you get stressed. Breathe in, raise your hands up. Stand your two legs wider than your shoulders. Breathe out, you open your palms, stretch your hands. And then you put your two palms on your thighs or on your knees, okay? And then from the right side, hold stand to the right. You draw the circle from the right, okay? Breathe in. Move your head to front. And then your left. And then in the back. And then breathe out. Go to the right, and then move front and to the left again, and look in the back, okay? Hold still to the left. Do reverse again. Inhale. Exhale. Allow yourself to move slowly. Feel your lower back. To use your two legs and your two hands to keep balance, okay? Reverse. In the back, and then out. Release tension from your lower back, your neck and your shoulders, okay? Reverse in, out. Look in the back, in, out. Reverse in, that's so wonderful. Open your palms. Inhale deep. Exhale slow. Release tensions from your shoulders, your hips and your back. The next one we call the body curving, looking up and down, okay? Breathe in. Stretch your hands upward. Breathe out, turn your palms in front of your face. Inhale, move in the back. And exhale. You can reach the ground, okay? Keep your knees straight. You can stand in such a way that you keep your legs straight and you can reach, somehow you can reach the earth, okay? Breathe in, look up. Look up and you raise your toes, okay, in the back. Stand by your toes, breathe out, put your heels down. You press your body and look through your two legs, okay? In, look up.
Stand by the toes. Out. Move your body in the back. Look through your two legs. In. And then holding your toes. Okay, you can hold in the toes. Breathe in, you look through your two legs in the back. And breathe out, you can look up. Okay, and then allow your neck to relax. Your two elbows inside your knees. Okay, look like you sit like a cat. Okay, like a cat. Okay, breathe in. Now, allow your hips to open and relax your lower back and tailbone. In. In. That's so wonderful. Open your palms. Inhale deep. Exhale slow. The next movement we call the clenching the fist. Okay. Stand your two legs wider than your shoulder. Okay, like that. Breathe in. Your palms you push front. Breathe out. Turn your two hands together. Make the fist by the two hands. Okay. And then you lower down. Hold stand to the center. Breathe in. You can punch front the right hand. Breathe out. Allow yourself to clenching the fist. Okay, and move back your energy in and out. Allow yourself to release tension. Inhale. Exhale. Bring back the energy. In. In. Right hand. Make a circle. Bring back energy. In. That's so wonderful. And then the next one, your left hand holding the right wrist. Okay, like that. We call the clicking heels and resting your lower back. Okay, breathe in. Your hands move up. Stand by the toes. And breathe out. You massage and click your heel down, okay, and raise your toe a little bit. In, out. Inhale. Exhale. In, out. That's so wonderful. Breathe in, open your palms, deep. Out. Slow.